It's a ghost! No! It's Jesus! That's Jesus! He's walking on the water! Lord, save me! Ah! Lord, why did you doubt? The sea just opened.
Day one in the lion's den, still alive. Wanted to document this. They haven't touched me, not once. This one has been using my sandal as a pillow for 2 hours. I'm afraid to move.
Daniel, has your God saved you?
I'm completely fine, not a scratch. Let's go home.
That's a child! Why is there a child out there? Someone stop him! The kid did it! He's down!
Day 3, still inside the fish, still alive. I don't fully understand how.
That's where I live now.
He just turned, should not have run. I really know happens a lot of that now. If anyone finds this, Nineveh, I'm going to Nineveh.
He's been in there 4 days. 4 days. The smell alone.
Lazarus, come out. Unbind him, let him go.
I filmed it. I filmed the whole thing.